Everyone. Uh, we are Group 5 and today we are going to present our project on the smart waste segregation bin. Waste management has become a major environmental challenge in many developing countries, including Sri Lanka. Most household urban waste is still disposed of without proper segregation. Because of this, recyclable materials become contaminated, landfill volumes increase, and environmental pollution becomes more severe. Our project introduced an automated smart bin system that can identify and separate different types of waste at the point of disposal. The system combines sensors, automation, and microcontroller technology to improve efficiency and support sustainable waste management practices. Today, we will explain the problem, our proposed solution, technical design, scientific principles, execution process, and future improvements. Before moving further, let me introduce our team members. Our team members are Venumi, Lihara, Dinuja, Matusia, and Shehan Me. This project was completed collaboratively, where each members contributed to research, design, programming, testing, and presentation preparation. Now let's look at the problem we identified. First, Sri Lanka is experiencing rapid urbanization. As cities expand and populations grow, the amount of daily waste generation also increases significantly. Traditional waste disposal methods are no longer sustainable. Second, waste sorting in many facilities is still done manually. This process is slow, costly, and unhealthy for workers because they are exposed to harmful materials and unpleasant environments. Another major issue is contamination. When food waste mixes with plastics, paper, or metal, the recyclable materials lose their value. This makes recycling inefficient and increase the amount of waste sent to landfills. Therefore, there is a strong need for an automated system that can separate waste accurately and efficiently before contamination occurs. Our vision is to provide a smart city solution that automates waste segregation directly at the point of disposal. Instead of depending completely on centralized sorting facilities, our system performs the segregation immediately when the user throws waste into the bin. This approach can reduce labor costs, improve recycling efficiency, and support environmentally friendly waste management systems. In the future, such bins can be implemented in schools, universities, shopping malls, offices, and public urban areas to create cleaner and smarter cities. Next, I will explain the requirements of our system. Uh, the requirements of our systems are mainly two types, functional and non-functional. First, I get functional requirements. Our smart bin must detect the type of waste material, classify the waste, rotate the flap mechanism correctly, deposit the waste into the appropriate compartment, and monitor the occupancy level of the bin. Then I move to non-functional requirements. We also considered several engineering constraints. First is durability. The mechanical structure should withstand waste impacts up to 500 grams. Second is power efficiency. The system operates using low voltage DC power, allowing future integration with solar panels or battery backup systems. Third is speed. The classification process must be completed within 3 seconds to ensure smooth operation. Finally, monitoring capability is important. Real-time occupancy sensing provides visual alerts when the compartments become full. These requirements help us design a practical and reliable smart system. Now let's discuss the technical design of our project. The most important mechanical component is rotary flap mechanism. We selected a rotary mechanism instead of linear pushers because it is faster, more compact, and more reliable inside a circular bin structure. The system includes multiple sensors forming a sensing array. An inductive sensor is used for rapid metal detection. A moisture or capacitive sensor is used to identify organic waste based on moisture and density characteristics. The entire system is controlled using an ESP32 microcontroller. The ESP32 processes sensor inputs and controls the motor movement precisely. A feedback loop ensures the rotary flap reaches the correct position before releasing the waste into the correct compartment. This integration of sensing, control, and mechanical movements forms the core operation of our smart bin. This slide explains the scientific principle behind metal detection. Our system uses the principle of electromagnetic induction. When a conductive metal object passes near the inductive sensor, it changes the magnetic field generated by the sensor. This change produces a voltage signal. The signal voltage is proportional to the change in magnetic flux over time. Because metals are conductive, they create a detectable electromagnetic response, while non-conductive materials such as plastic do not. Using this principle, the system can quickly detect metallic waste from non-metallic waste and direct it into the appropriate compartment. This scientific principles allows fast and reliable classification of metal objects. Now I explain how we executed the project in phases. In phase 1, we started with preliminary research and literature review. During this phase, we studied existing smart waste management technologies and selected suitable sensors and the ESP32 controller. In phase 2, next we perform circuit breadboarding and sensor calibration. This step was important to ensure accurate material detection and proper communication between sensors and the microcontroller. In phase 3, finally, we fabricated the bin housing, integrated the rotary flap mechanism, and conducted testing using different waste samples. Through these phases, we gradually improved both the hardware and software performance of the system. Now let's evaluate the outcomes of the project. When we get into success, our system successfully demonstrate automated waste segregation with a low carbon and energy efficient design. The project also helps increase the value of recyclable materials by reducing contamination. However, we also identified some limitations. The limitations we found is material waste can still create classification difficulties. High humidity conditions may also reduce sensor accuracy. For future improvements, we plan to increase sensor sensitivity, improve detection of composite materials, and AI-based classification methods, and integrate IoT monitoring systems for smart city applications. These improvements can make the system more accurate and commercially viable. In conclusion, our smart waste segregation bin demonstrates how engineering and automation can contribute to solving real-world environmental problems. By combining sensors, mechanical systems, and microcontroller technology, we created a smart solution for efficient waste management. And that is the end of our presentation. And thank you very much for your attention.